Hey guys, we're back again. This time with Hanon 16, exercise number 16. And this one is the extension of the third and fifth finger, or the third to the fifth finger. And it is also an exercise for fingers 3, 4, and 5. As usual, we will be starting with the right hand ascending, and we will have a look at the first part here, which will be this sequence right here. It is the thumb on C again, and we're going to do the following: 1, 3, 2, 3. 5 stretches all the way up to A, moving our hands so that we move our position to D. 4, 3, 4, and we're going to continue with the sequence: 1, 3, 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 4, and so on. Stretch. Getting to the top, for ascending, we will do the following. We are going to do B, 1, 3, 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 4. Same thing, look at that. We are already in the position we need to be in order to continue with the exercise. For the left hand, we will be doing the following ascending. Starting on C, 5, 3, 4, 3. Stretching the thumb all the way up to A. 1. Moving our hand into the next position. 2, 3, 2. Continuing the sequence. 5, 3, 4, 3. All the way up to B. Getting to B, we will do the following. Ending ascending. 5, 3, 4, 3. Thumb up to G. 2, 3, 2. And our hand is in the correct position to start descending. Putting both hands together, ascending. So the pinky stretches up and the thumb stretches up at the same time. Getting to the top. Trying to stretch with the pinky or rolling the wrist in order to get to the note. That is very important. If we look at the right hand descending next, it will be this sequence right here. And we're going to do the following: 5, 2, 3, 2. Thumb stretches down. 1, 2, 3, 2. 5, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. Getting to the bottom, we are now on A. We will be doing the following: 5, 2, 3, 2. Thumb stretches down one more time. 2, 3, 2, 1. Ending on our C that we started with. For the left hand, we will have the following: thumb on G, starting descending. 1, 3. 3 needs to stretch to D immediately. 3, 2, 3. 5, 4, 3, 4. Now the thumb is on F. 1, stretch thumb down to C. 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. On A, we are now at the bottom, ending, descending with the following notes. 1, 3 stretches down again once more, 3, 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, ending on that C right there. Putting the descending hands together, we will do the following. The third finger stretches immediately, so 2 and 3. Now the thumb stretches down 1. Concentrate on the stretch and movements. Getting to the bottom, the third finger stretches one more time, the thumb goes down 1. Putting the entire exercise hands together. Getting to the top. Now, immediately, left hand stretches, thumb. So we need to take note of the following, especially hands together descending, 2 and 3, those 2 and 3 that play together because of the third finger in the left hand that stretches immediately for descending. Then also the big stretch between 3 and 5 with the right hand ascending, very important. And then also very, very important, focusing on the sequence and the notes and where our hands stretches each and every single time. Easy enough to do separately, but together it might pose a problem. It's good. Take it slow. Just think and focus on those stretches. And remember, the rolling of a wrist is a good idea in order to get from the 3 to the 5 with the stretch, or then stretching our pinky up, opening up this space in between the 4th and the 5th finger also helps. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe to my channel and check out any other Hanon exercises that might benefit you. Thanks for watching.